Hello, this is Larry Johnson, Tameron Hyundai, and I thank you so much for your inquiry on the beautiful 2015 Hyundai Elantra. A great vehicle and a great choice. I've got acres of Elantras here. I want you to see all of them. And I got some in the back. You didn't select a trim package, so I pulled up this beautiful gray one here for you to take a look at. SE package. Got all the features in it. I got Bluetooth, volume control for your steering wheels. I've got safety features in it. Also, we got America's best warranty on this vehicle. That's right. 5 year, 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 5 year unlimited roadside assistance, and a 10 year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. So if that's not enough, we double that powertrain warranty, 20 year, 200,000 miles. Take it anywhere to have it serviced. Call me. My number, 380-6250. Larry Johnson, Tameron Hyundai, and thank you so much for your inquiry.